In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young artist named Maya. Her heart was captivated by the ever-changing canvas of the sky, especially during the enchanting moments of sunrise and sunset. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Maya met a traveler named Kian. His eyes held a twinkle of curiosity and a hint of mystery. With a warm smile, Kian began to share a story. Long ago, a village embraced each sunrise and sunset as a precious gift. They believed that these radiant moments carried the energy of hope, reflection, and unity. Maya felt an immediate connection to Kian's tale. She often painted sunsets, hoping to capture the fleeting beauty and emotions they evoked. Kian's story continued. Over time, the village grew busier, and people became preoccupied with their routines. The tradition of embracing sunrise and sunset began to fade. Moved by Kian's tale, Maya decided to revive the tradition. She invited villagers to gather at the sunrise, encouraging them to pause and embrace the beauty of the new day. Maya's efforts yielded beautiful results. Villagers once again gathered to witness the sunset's splendor, sharing moments of reflection and unity. Maya's painted sunsets adorned the village, reminding everyone of the beauty that emerges when hearts unite to cherish the colors of connection.